pwedeng pakituloy yung kinekwento niyo, yung Tara system. That's why you came to that theory na hindi bababa sa 20 billion yung assets ni Jose Cabral.
Over the last 10 years, nandiyan siya. Over 300 billion, over 400 billion yata ang pinirmahan niyang mga contract. If you can imagine, yung 5% lang ang dumain sa kanya dyan. Kasi ang taataran nila dyan, according to reports dun sa ICI, 25% kay Saldico pa lang yun. Tapos meron contractor's profit. Yung Saldico, nagbibigay yan. Siyempre, Kochaba yan eh. Yung contractor, nagbibigay yan. I would think it's more than 5%. And that goes for all the roads too. Lahat yan kasi, hindi mangyayari kung hindi dadaan sa kanya eh. She was the architect of the entire DPWH.
Sa pagkakaalam niyo, paano siya naging architect? Paano niya na-assume yung ganong position po? At hindi na siya bumitaw?
Parang music for planning siya panahon ni TRRD eh. Parang doon siya pumasok doon. And when you become music for planning, it is the most lucrative position in the government. Talo customs, talo kahit ano sabihin mo, customs nga, mababait na mga tao ngayon eh. Talo lahat, walang sinabi ang lahat dyan. Ito na ang premier position in the entire government as far as juicy is concerned. Ayun na. So, and it became so normal that they thought it was legal. Ganun na nangyari doon sa kultura sa loob ng DPWH.
So kung gusto mong karakutin yung pera ng bayan dyan sa DPWH, this is the position that you would want?
Gusto mong yumaman ng bilyon-bilyon, ito talaga ang pinag-aagawan yan para makuha talaga yan. USEC for planning of DPWH.
Yung ganyan po, kasi marami sa mga kababayan natin na frustrate dito sa flood control investigation. Marami nababagalan. Pero I know na nababanggit nyo na rin po ito publicly and also by your brother, si Ombudsman Boying. May ibang ruta na pwedeng gawin, diba? Civil forfeiture. Can you talk about that?
Yes. Somehow it won't match. There is no such thing as a perfect crime in this case. From what we have gathered, there's a house in Forbes Park. There are houses in Forbes Park. There are properties all over the Philippines. And the hotel is one of them. There are accounts. Ang dami niyan eh. So, somewhere along the way, it will not match with her SALN. And now they will always hide behind the veil of corporate secrecy. May mga corporations yan. Pero along the way, nakikita rin naman ng ICI at ng Ombudsman kung nasaan yan. They have pierced the veil of corporate secrecy. Nakita na nila. And I think pretty soon establish na lang yung trail papunta sa lahat ng assets niya.
Kay Jose Cabral po ito, yung binabanggit niyo?
Yes, kay Jose Cabral, yes.
You mentioned a house in Forbes Park. How many houses are we talking about?
As much as 2. We're gonna investigate. We're gonna go to the Forbes Park Association and ISPO. Look at the transactions in the last 10 years and see kung sino yung mga applicant niyan. Nakikita mo naman kung sino ang architect malapit sa kanya, kung nag-apply siya ng, kung nag-apply siya ng sticker ng kotse sa Forbes Park sa address na yon, it's a tell kung siya yung gumagamit. Kasi it's a very convenient thing to have a sticker ng Makati. So, titignan namin yan, di ba? That is a tell already. Kung kumuha siya ng sticker sa address na yon, there is already a conclusive link kung bakit siya nakakuha ng sticker doon. So, we would think makikita natin yan.
Okay. Aside from the at least 2 houses in Forbes Park na nabalitaan ninyo, ano po yung mga properties ni Cabral na
I don't have it with me right now. Pero I heard there's another hectare here in New Manila. Ang daming dumadating sa amin. Of course, the burden of proving it is with the Ombudsman and the PNP and the CIDG and the NBI. Pero talagang hukayin namin yan. We will make sure that every single peso goes back to the Philippines.
So definitely ina-assess yun na po yan, and then ang isa sa mga tumbok po niyan ay civil forfeiture, tama po?
Yes, ayun ang aim dyan sa lahat ng mga guilty rito, civil forfeiture. If she is gone, it does not distinguish her liability from the crimes that were committed. So civil forfeiture is the next route na pupunta.